Guys, this weather is so and it's not even funny anymore because I don't understand like why June weather or July weather is on me. Yeah, so nimevaa ni kama naenda kwa ni wapi kwenye kuna waga na baridi, nimevaa ni kama tuko winter. So with the I know that you are seeing a reflection of some white stuff. Ni okay, reflection of this part, the white part. Oh, guys, I wanna do a very quick skincare routine because I don't have the luxury of time. Yeah, so I'll be using this Odeon face and body scrub to just scrub my face.
I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you.
So I'm gonna just scrub like this for like a minute and then I'll be back. And we are back, guys. So right now I want to use this Garnier cleansing foam. Is it Garnier or Garnier? Okay.
I wish that you knew.
Just scrub my face. I let it like move itself at off, low and high. I put mine on low because I don't want it to be like so intense on my face and then it gets all sensitive. Yeah, so
I'm getting high in the sunrise with you. I'm getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no, I do.
get it to the corners of your nose.
And I wish that I could put a time machine. Cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget.
That is it, guys. I'm gonna get into the shower and then I'll see you guys later. I'm running late and I can't help it and I'm getting crazy, but see you later, guys. So guys, I'm ready. First I'm going to the bank to renew my ATM card and then I'll be going to get my nails done. I have my appointment at 2 and also I need to go and undo my hair and wash it, guys. I've been with it for like a minute. Yeah, so maybe I don't think like people are allowed to vlog in the bank, so I won't vlog that, but you'll see me getting the nails done and going to the salon. So bye.
Jet planes in the night sky with you.
So guys, today is when I'm going to get my hair washed. Yeah, yesterday I was just too busy to do that. And also I want to give a special shout out to the lady that did my nails, and from Dora Villa Kibwezi. Okay, she was just too polite and kind, yani, and she did an amazing job. Her services are just top notch. Please just go there and get yourself glammed up. I'm gonna leave her contacts down below. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back home and right now I wanna do a meal prep for my hubby. I don't think I'll be showing you the process of cooking because I don't want this to be a cooking video, but I'll like later on show you the foods that I prepared. So stick on, guys. So a quick one, guys. Every time that I travel, I always like make meals for him and just stop it in the fridge so that it may be just be easier for him to microwave and eat. Yeah, upendo nayo. So guys, it's almost 6 p.m. and I started cooking at, was it 3:30 there. So right now I'm just done with the chapos. The only thing that is remaining is the viazi karai. Yeah, so I'm gonna make that and then I'll be done, guys. I'm so tired. And
Jet planes in the night sky with you. I'm getting high in the sunrise with you. I'm Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no.
Jamani, zinashikana.
Jet planes in the night sky with you. Getting high in the sunrise with you. Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no, I do.
So that is everything that I was able to make. I made spaghetti with minced meat and then pilau and some viazi karai, maharagwe ya nazi, pesti ya kula na pilau and also viazi karai na some chapatis. Yeah, so that is it, guys.
I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you.
So guys, we've come to the end of the vlog, and if you want a detailed meal prep video, let me know in the comment section. Just comment cook and I'll do it for you. Bye guys.